Hey,
Hey,
all
all
of
of
you
you beautiful.
beautiful souls. It's 9:54 p.m. here. I did my leg day earlier and had a very active day, but we are still riding on high vibrations. I have a very special announcement today or this evening, and I had to make it now, right? Before I go get ready for bed and do my nightly routine. I wanted to do this video first. Uh, Almost got the mosquito. I wanted to do this video first, though, guys. For those who are new to this YouTube channel, I had taught, right, the first international online subliminal class ever done before. I believe it was about, oh God, 5, 6 months ago. And I had taught, I believe, 11 individuals, and I believe 9 out of 11 attended all 8 classes that we had. We were doing 2 classes a week, and it went on for about 3.5 weeks. And one of the ladies that's like a sister to me now, she was actually attending, and a coworker, she was actually attending the class at 2 a.m. Right, 2 a.m. in the UK time, and you know, oh excuse me, with how my cryptocurrency trading is going, and my relationships and my health now, as you can see, right, as I just mentioned, I'm not in this, guys. Right, this is my nonprofit work. Right, this is this is my nonprofit work, and this is my charity work to give back to humanity. And as you know, I am uploading subliminals maybe on a weekly, sometimes when I'm busy during the month, on a even monthly basis. So I really, and all of the students, were already making their own subliminals successfully and had amazing results. And I'm going to be doing this, guys. It's going to be twice a week again, right? Mondays and Fridays, twice a week again for 3 weeks. It might go on for 3.5, but we're going to do our best to make it 3 weeks. And there's only going to be 12. I may open up 15 spots, but it's going to be for free. As I said, this is my nonprofit. This is my charity work, giving back to humanity. It's going to be for free, but what I'm expecting in return, right, is the same dedication and seriousness that all of the other students had in the last class, where they committed to every single class and making it, right? They were very serious. And this is going to be, the first class is going to be on January 9th. January 9th is going to be the first class. I'm going to be releasing information, I would say, this next week, 2 weeks from now. I'm going to be releasing information on how you can apply. Now, obviously, all of the people who were in the first class can come back and join again if they would like to. I'm only going to have 12, 15 spots open. I'm going to be releasing information again, as I said, how you can apply and how you can go through the application process. The time is going to be the same, which I believe was like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. India time, and in the evening Eastern time, like 9 p.m. Eastern time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. That way everyone can attend. And as I said, it's free. That way people all over the world can, apply, right? People from all backgrounds in life, all different areas in their journey can apply. As as I said, there were some beautiful souls in the previous class that really started to bloom and really started to break out after the class, right? I look forward to meeting some of you who do apply. As I said, I'm going to be releasing information these coming weeks. I'm very excited to have 12 new disciples, maybe 15 on top of the 10 from the previous class. That's how it starts, and it just keeps rippling out to all of the universe.